Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. In today's video, I am doing this full face look using products that are new to me and that I recently picked up during the Sephora sale, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So if you would like to see how I accomplish this look, then please stay tuned. But before I jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe. It's free. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Share my videos because sharing is caring. Hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's hop into it. So just like I said in the intro, we're going to play in some makeup that's new to me that I bought during Sephora sale, Ulta sale, and over time. Like I have a lot of stuff that's on my desk. My eyes are already done. You'll see me do this eyeshadow look in a separate video. So we're gonna mainly focus on the base. So I'm going to prime my face using one size. This isn't new, but it's right here. And I have been really enjoying it lately. Want to use it up. I haven't done a shop my stash video in quite some time. For foundation, I'm gonna go back in and use Auntie Pat. Last time I used too much of the concealer from Pat McGrath, so I'm just gonna use a little right here and right there, and then just a smidge. You see how much that gives coverage? I'm actually using the wrong type of brush for this. Okay, so let's move on to a product that's new to me. This is from About Face, Beach Freak, and Surf Cruise or Surf Curse. Sorry, Surf Curse. And this is a stick bronzer. I have a lot of stick bronzers. I shouldn't have to purchase bronzers for quite some time, but it twists. It doesn't like pop off. So just keep that in mind. And this is what it looks like swatched. It's creamy. We wipe this off before I have it everywhere. Okay, so I don't want to apply this directly to my face. I'm gonna take Makeup by Mario's brush and then just do it like this. That way I have better control of the product and build it up to my liking. If I swipe it on my face, it's because I'm in a rush, but I got time today. So it's more prominent on this side than, well, it's there because I had to like constantly build it up. Just gonna trust the process because that's what I do. So now let's take this side and definitely blend. Now I'm going to take some of Auntie Pat's powder and kind of like reverse contour. I don't put a lot. Now I need to do a little bit of blending. Well, my under eye is increasing, but you know, you still want to make sure everything is blended out before setting. Now, I did set my under eye, totally forgetting that I had a blush from Fenty. So, I don't know if this will look good with my eye look or not. We're going to see. And this is in Cool Berry. It may be too dark. Yeah, that's a little too dark. Let me get the NARS Orgasm. I got that a part of the sale. So I have Orgasm and Orgasm X. This is what Orgasm looks like. And then Orgasm X looks like this. I am going to use a highlighter today. So I think I'm going to just go in with Orgasm. That'll be the best thing to do. It has like a little shimmer to it as well, but not as much as the other one. Hopefully this doesn't clash with my the highlighter that I want to use. I haven't used the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in a long time, so this is what I'm going to use to dust this off. Hopefully, you know, it doesn't mess up my look. Nope, it's doing what it needs to do. Okay, so let's set my face. And to do that, or well, not really set my face, I just want to make sure that the makeup is settling. So I'm going to use MAC's Fix Plus setting spray. And if you can tell, MAC has changed the packaging, but it's been a minute since I bought the Fix Plus. Is not in that other bottle, so this is different. But it is so much better. The mister is so much better. I'm definitely going to use this blush in another video, and the Orgasm isn't really showing up on my face, but I didn't want to use a lot. I probably should have picked up the matte one, but it's cool. I'll work with what I have. Moving along to highlighter, I have a highlighter from Too Faced Moon Crush Out of This World highlighter, and this is in Shooting Star. I bought this maybe sometime in August when Sephora was having like 30% off, 40% off sale on a lot of their stuff. I don't know what was going on. I think it was like a Labor Day sale or something, but I took advantage and my finger just went smack dead into this. But this is what it looks like. The packaging is very cute, very stunning. I like it. A little goes a long way, I can tell. As you can see, yeah, one swipe. That's a lot. I am going to blend it out. Definitely have to blend it out. Before I go any further, I think I want to try out the Orgasm X just to see if it's going to add a little bit of like blush to the side of my face, because literally, okay, yeah, this is much better. Even though I'm really gonna be looking like I'm shining like a light bulb. But it's there. Hopefully my lighting isn't overshadowing the blush, but it's there. And it mixed well with the highlighter. Okay, I feel much, much, much better. My face is super shiny, but Yeah, it's okay. It is okay. Last but not least is lips. Lips, lips, lips. I have multiple things right here. I have souffle and sugar pie from Morphe. I just feel like these colors will not go with the eye look. And then I also have two lip pencils from About Face. Let's see, let's swatch and see what I'm working with. Okay, that's pretty. It seems like I have been gravitating. I'm always gravitating to something like a mauve look, and that kind of goes with my eyes as well. But we will still swatch Lost Time, just for the sake of showing you guys what they look like. Okay, swatching this one. Oh, this is pretty, but it's a little too deep for me right now. Now, if I was, going on a date night and wanted like a sultry look, then I definitely will rock that one. I also think that'll look pretty with a red lip. That's not what we're gonna go for today. I also have Nashi Pear. This is a liquid color butter from About Face. I kind of picked up a lot of things from Halsey's brand from Ulta, and it clicks up. Okay. Okay, this is time consuming, but I get the concept. It's pretty, it's definitely glossy, but just doesn't go with today's look. Last but not least, from About Face is the Blurred Matte Lip Plump. And this is in Side Eye. I can definitely tell it's not going to go with this look either. So I got a feeling what I'm going to use, but I want to show you what it looks like. Very moussey. Don't have a scent. I don't know why I smelled it. I really like when lip products have some form of a scent or whatever, but you know what? It is what it is. So let's go in with this lip pencil, and it's called Midnight Seduction. It's there, but it's kind of blended in with my lip. Damn. Let me see about the ABH one. Let's see. Let's try this one from ABH, and this is in Sunbaked. This smells like a straight up number 2 pencil. You see how it's crumbling on my lips, but it's dry, but it's there. So I'm just going to take Auntie Pat's lip gloss. I don't really like the lip liner, but I'm really trying not to put a brown lip liner on. I don't know. Let's see, what else do I have? I know this doesn't go. Say Whatever by Gwen Stefani's Give. Yeah, this is red. No, that doesn't go. Girl. Let's see, NYX. This is dry. You know what? I'm not gonna even chance it, because that lip pencil was dry. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. This is the final look. I like how everything came out. All of these new lip products, that I've tried out. So let's, do a little rundown. First things first is the bronzing stick from About Face. I like it. You see how it blended well? Because at first it was looking a little muddy and I was a little nervous, but it settled very, very well. I like this. And it's not expensive. It's very affordable. The highlight from Too Faced, the Moon Crush, I love it. I mean, you gotta be mindful of how much you put on, because you see how the side of my face looks. Like, I really had to blend that in because I just did not want to, look too overdone, like a streak of highlight. But it's very nice. It's not powdery. It's very smooth, and I like it. The lip pencil from About Face, I like it. I kind of wish it was a little bit darker, because swatching it made me feel like, yes, it'll look good on my actual lips, but then it looked like it was blending in with my lips. I don't know, but it's still stunning. I still like it. The blushes from NARS, Orgasm really didn't show up on my face for some reason, but Orgasm X definitely did what I needed it to do. You can see the blush right here, and that's from Orgasm X. So I recommend getting this one. Out of the two, I will continue to play with both, use both, because I already spent my coins on them and I'm not returning them. Now, even though this isn't a new product, I haven't used MAC Fix Plus in a very, very long time. And to see that it's in a new bottle, the mister is better, and it's settled, and it set my makeup so beautifully. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought a second bottle because they were 30% off at Macy's, and then they were 30% off at Ulta. They were 30% off recently at Dillard's too. So just check around, because MAC is in Dillard's and in Macy's, and they often have more sales than Ulta on MAC products. Just letting you know, just put it out there in case you were wanting to, go back to using MAC Fix Plus. So all in all, I like what I've used. I have more on my desk that I didn't tap into because I already had done my eye look, but I do want to tap into the Fenty eyeshadow sticks. I also have other stuff that I'll be trying out. So the videos are coming. More videos are coming. So don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Share my videos, because sharing is caring. Hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think about the products that I showed you guys today, if you're interested in them. So yeah. And as always, if I didn't say hit the notification bell, as always, thank you for watching.